Hello there, welcome to Larry's DIY. In today's video, I'm going to make planters from these scrap woods. I've had these scrap woods around and I was thinking of what to do with them. And finally, an idea struck me. I decided to make planters out of them. As you can see, I have these two pieces. They are not so big, but at least they'll make for me some good planters. I've already marked one of them, and I'll be getting two pieces from each piece of that size which you're seeing over there. This piece you're seeing was as these ones, and I cut them into two halves like that. So I'll be using these pieces for the sides. Those pieces like that, they are all scrap woods around, and here I'm taking my marked piece of wood and I'm going to cut it into two halves. I'll be doing the same thing to the rest of the big pieces, and I'll finally come up with 3 planters. Those will be 6 pieces, which will give me 3 planters. As you can see, I don't have those sophisticated machines. I'm using the local machines, the handsaw, but I believe in the near future I'll get some good machines. Now here are my pieces after cutting them all. I didn't want to take you through the entire process because it would be a long video. So here I'm getting all my cut pieces and I'll be joining them to get one planter, which I'll be doing the same procedures for all the other pieces. Here I had to make sure that these two pieces are well lined together. Yes, I'm trying to get them together very well. So I start hammering the nails into the woods. You make sure that before nailing, everything is well lined properly. Exactly, I had to take my time. There we go, we have our first nail in. So we shall get another nail and get it through. Perfect. We'll do the same thing with the other piece. Remember, these were scrap woods and I'm using a 1-inch plywood. This 1-inch plywood will last for a long period of time. Because of its thickness, water will not stress it a lot. Again, I'll make sure that they are all well aligned together perfectly. The nails I was using 2.5-inch nails. Exactly. Now we shall get the other half, the long piece, and put it together as well. Again, don't forget to align them very perfectly, because this will give you a squared piece of planter. If you don't take all those steps, your planter will not be squared. So this side, you don't worry about that gap. it will be put together by the nails. I think one of the sides of my piece was non-squared as I was cutting the third piece. You make sure that you're careful with the hammer because it might smash your finger. So using such tools, you have to be super careful not to hurt yourself. Exactly. Now my planter is done. So what I'll do next, I'll get a square and see whether my piece is squared, whether the corners are squared. What I'm doing, I was trying to put it into square and it was perfect, though it didn't appear on camera, but it was perfect. As you can see there, all the 3 planters are done. Still, I never wanted to take you through the process of the other planters because it would be a long video. Very, very perfect planters. Now I'll be making stands in each corner. I'll make 4 stands per planter. I want them to be lifted above the ground where I'll be putting them. I'll be using those pieces of wood, a piece like that one. All these are scrap woods. I didn't buy anything. All these are scrap woods I'm using. So I cut each piece 2 inches by 4 inches, and I divided that mark you're seeing over there. It divides it into 2 halves. Now these are the finished planters, looking very, very perfectly. Very, very good. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and kindly leave a comment down below on what you think on the planters, and tell me if you have some scrap woods around which you're going to turn into something useful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new and share with all your friends.